Patindi ng patindi ang kaguluhan sa Iran. Tinitingnan daw ni US President Donald Trump ang iba't ibang hakbang kabilang na ang posibleng military options habang patuloy ang malawakang protesta laban sa gobyerno.
There seem to be some people killed that aren't supposed to be killed. These are violent, if you call them leaders, I don't know if they're leaders or just they rule through violence. But we're looking at it very seriously. The military is looking at it. And we're looking at some very strong options. We'll make a determination.
Plano rin ni Trump na kausapin si Elon Musk para sa posibleng pagbubukas ng internet sa Iran. Matapos ito i-block ng gobyerno ng 4 na araw na naglilimita sa daloy ng impormasyon.
Well, we're going to be talking about that. We may get the internet going if that's possible. We may speak to Elon. Because as you know, he's very good at that kind of thing. He's got a very good company. So we may speak to Elon Musk. And in fact, I'm going to call him as soon as I'm finished with you.
Ayon sa rights groups, halos 500 protesters at dozens ng security personnel ang nasawi. Mahigit 10,000 naman ang naaresto sa loob ng 2 linggo. Wala pa ring opisyal na bilang ang Iran. Nagsimula ang mga protesta noong Disyembre dahil sa mataas na presyo ng bilihin at nauwi sa malawakang pagtutol sa mga clerical ruler.